Google search defined and continues to define the way the human race accesses information. It has become an integral part of our way of life. Each day, Google indexes and ranks massive amounts of data, giving anyone with an internet connection the opportunity to find the most relevant answers to questions as possible. In this presentation, we will discuss exactly what Google is and how it's different from other search engines. We will go over some basics on how Google works, including discussions about web crawling and PageRank. Then, we will identify the users of Google, followed by a description of some important issues surrounding Google search. Lastly, we will touch on the history and future of Google search itself. So what exactly is Google search? Google search is the most widely used search engine in the world. It was developed in 1997 by Larry Page and Sergey Brin as a large-scale, hypertextual web search engine to replace the less efficient search methods available at the time. Currently, Google search handles 1 billion searches per day, while maintaining a clean interface on the user side that displays a simple web page with a search bar and a colorful Google logo. Google search is seen as the gateway between users and all of the information on the World Wide Web, providing relevant results to user inquiries. But if there were search engines before Google search, what's the big deal? The creators of Google search found the web search process of 1997 to be cumbersome and full of irrelevant results. What they strived for was a fast, reliable, and user-friendly search engine that produced results made up of the very best documents of the tens of thousands of possibilities. To accomplish this feat, Brin and Page created a patented algorithm designed to rank pages and provide users with relevant outcomes. Now that we know what Google search is, the next step is to figure out how it works. To gather the information used to retrieve relevant search results, Google search navigates the web using web crawling. Web crawling is the process of following web page links across the internet, accumulating information on these connections, and using these connections as references to help determine relevance to a particular topic. Once this information is gathered, it is sorted based on a criteria, most commonly content, and then that content is indexed. It is this index that information is pulled from to deliver search results. Another important function of Google search is PageRank. With web page link data algorithms, Google uses innovative programs like Google Instant and different ways of performing searches, for example, through images and voice, to figure out what the user is searching for. Google then retrieves relevant search results from its index and ranks those results using over 200 different measures. Google also implements strict spam filters to help keep the search results as relevant as possible. We know what Google search is, and we know how it works, but who really uses Google search? Since Google search is a free web search engine, anyone with an internet connection can access it. Users of Google search include adults, teenagers, the elderly, and even toddlers. Google search is a staple of the internet and its culture as people from all continents enjoy its use. The purpose of Google search is to perform various functions from research to social networking, from shopping to learning. Google helps people search on any document or article that is posted on the web. By searching one word, you are given hundreds of search results related to that one word. It may not always be a document or article. It is a very helpful way of organizing all of the information on the web. So what are the important issues surrounding Google search? Privacy concerns are Google search's greatest implication. There is a vast amount of information on the web that can be seen by anyone at any time. Google may not be inherently evil, but it cannot be assumed that all of its users are going to play by the rules, and not everything in Google's indexes is guaranteed to be safe for the user. As part of search engine optimization, or SEO, companies can sell high page ranks to webmasters. Google frowns upon this and penalizes the webmasters' links, devaluing them in the system. Even Google itself has been accused of tampering with search results. And now for a little history on, you guessed it, Google search. Once Google became official in 1997, it began to attract a loyal following of users, reviewers, and investors, and became the largest search engine in the world by 2000. Google's first acquisition was in 2001 and led to the creation of Google Groups. Many more acquisitions would follow, bringing users Blogger, Google Earth, Google Analytics, Google Docs, YouTube, and many other products. As all successful businesses do, Google ran into controversy here and there and declared a code of conduct. Don't be The future of Google Search is very bright. As more and more people shift toward mobile computing, search is able to be at your fingertips 24/7. As long as people need information, Google will be right there, quickly dispensing its compendium of all human knowledge that is the internet. There are many advances in store for the technological world, and Google has created a product that may open the doors to many more advances within the next few years. It's called Google Glass. In 2014, Google will be releasing a headset that provides users with a more realistic experience. With this headset, users will be able to get on-screen directions, send voice-controlled messages, as well as performing web searches. Thank you for watching. This has been a Team 3 IST research project.